Hi, Darren here from WAGS Valve. A simple and smart message for our supply groups. You are a key player in providing everyday solutions and supplies to your valued customers. With your local support, resources, and tools, contractors and property owners find you essential in completing their jobs on time. By carrying a simple and smart, low-cost WAGS valve, you offer your valued customers solutions in mitigating water heater failure. According to the Insurance Information Institute, 1 in 50 homes have a claim due to water damage each year. Water heater failure is one of the top 5 sources of residential water damage, according to the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. Almost 70% of water heater failures happen because of sudden bursts or slow leaks. The WAGS valve is the only 100% mechanical heater safety valve on the market, the original since 2002. And remember, a WAGS valve requires no batteries, no electricity, no wireless signals, no maintenance, and no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you. You can message or call us at 844-438-9247. The WAGS valve, simple, smart, with well over 100,000 plus installed. WAGS will watch, so you don't have to.